Hi, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see you again. If you're new here, welcome. Today is Friday, and I will be doing a super easy two-step recipe. Okay, it's not two-step, but technically it is two ingredients. That's two main ingredients, and that's potatoes and the pork. You can substitute it for whatever else protein, just not fish, because what? Okay, um. Yeah, I have some green onions, garlic. My garlic's finished. Some teriyaki sauce, my potatoes, and the pork. And we are going to get started. First thing first, I got four potatoes because they're very small. I just peel them, remove the skin because, sorry, this is a black people recipe. We don't eat the skin of potatoes. And I chop it up. Um, After chopping it up, I just set it to the side and I yeah. Don't come for me. Yes, I wash my meat. Anyways, after washing my meat, I chop that up. These are just the seasoning that I'm going to use in my on the meat. I want to put the seasoning on the meat. One time seasoning. That's it. All of these, trust me, trust the process. If you're wondering why I have the sauce and I'm using all this ingredients, I'm using all these seasoning while I already have the teriyaki sauce. Listen, mind your business, okay? Trust the process. You will understand later, okay? So all the seasoning you see over there, you put them on the meat, just not the teriyaki sauce. Season it according to the way your ancestors would like you to do it, okay? And then my potatoes, I put it on the stove. Yes, I'm boiling my potatoes and I added some salt. You do not want the potato to get soft. We ain't making those mashed potatoes here. This is not a mashed potato recipe. Yes, you just want your potato to be cooked, just enough to be stir fried. And my pork. I put my pork in my wok. You see that? It looks beautiful because of the seasoning I put on it. Yes, my wok was hot and I put it in it. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Okay, trust me. If you do this, you can substitute whatever protein you want. You can use chicken or beef. Because those are really quick and easy recipe. This would have taken 15 minutes to make if I wasn't recording. Because I'm very fast at cooking, okay? Well, it depends on what I'm cooking, but trust the process. We had the pork in, and at this point, I had to lower the stove a little bit. Yeah, I had to lower it because you do not want to burn your pork. Why would you want to burn your pork? Nobody burns the pork. Okay, and you do not want to overcook it either. You do not want it to be overcooked. I put this top on top of it so the steam can cook it really fast. After it was done, I put in my potatoes. I mixed it in with the pork. I did not add any seasoning because trust me, the pork seasoning was already there. It was already giving what it needed to give, okay? And I put my stuff high because time to get that char flavor from the wok into my potatoes and my pork. You feel it? It's gonna be charred. It's gonna be delicious. Oh, listen. If you try this recipe, you're gonna be like, I get it. I can see it. I can see that. Okay, I trust your vision. Yeah, you better, because this was the last minute thing that I just thought about making because I woke up late. Yeah, I definitely did, but we're not gonna talk about it. Anyways, after it was already charred, I added in my teriyaki sauce and I stir fry that thing. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, there goes the smoky wok coming. Oh, yes. Now that smoky flavor is what you want on your meal because trust me, that char, it's gonna touch your soul, okay? And then last minute, I added my onions after it was already done. Mind you, you do not want your potatoes to be soft. You do not want it to be extra soft. It is not firm either. It's just perfect. Trust me. It is literally amazing. Like, you're going to want to have this more and more. Like, that's how good it is. Okay. Um, After I stir the potatoes and the green onions and pork together, yeah, I tasted that thing because why would you feed something to people you don't eat yourself? Exactly. Like, if you want someone to eat your food, make sure you can eat it yourself. Period. And guess what? It was good. Look at that. I played it. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. Whew. I can't believe I made that. Anyways, after school, this is just me trying to show you guys what I have finished the meal. Again, as always, let's see. Oh, look at that. Yes. He ate all the the animal circus cookie and Reese's, and he just left the gusher, which is totally fine because I know he's gonna eat this again, like when I come in my room. And yeah, there's no more drinks in town for the meeting. Thing. Jamra. Chang! Ta-da! He ate all the potatoes because it was so good. It was delicious. And that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will always post more of these videos from Monday to Friday at 4:30 p.m. So stay tuned. Bye.